Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to curve text using Circuit Design Space on your iPhone. This is perfect for labels, stickers, t-shirt marks, anything you want to make look stylish. Get started. Open the Circuit Design app on your iPhone. If you don't have it yet, download it from App Store. Now tap New Project at the bottom of your home screen. This brings you to the blank canvas. Tap the text button at the bottom. Type the word or paraphrase you want to curve. For example, happy birthday or teen pride. Your text will appear on the canvas. Before curving, pick your font or tap font, then choose from custom font in your iPhone fonts, circuit fonts or paid free options. Choose one you like, then tap apply. Now tap your text so it's selected. At the bottom menu, swipe left until you see curve. Tap curve. A slider will appear. Slide left to curve like a smile shape. Adjust until it's look exactly how you want. Use two fingers to resize your curved text. Drag it around the canvas to position it. Can also change color, duplicate it, rotate it, all using the options at the bottom. If you are ready to cut the design, tap the make it, choose your matte option, connect to your circuit machine through Bluetooth, select your material and follow the on-screen step. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.